So coming back to that point, like as I said to you, like the normal consultants who have delivered a new design,
Okay.
carry out the supervision, it should be as per the specifications,
Exactly.
and they leave the site with the FM team and the client, and that's it. So you mean to say, like, are you involved in the surveys as well in the later stages, and that's the reason you got this information, like where are the actual issues happens? Like if I say how the condensation happens, how the dampness happen, where are the leaks happening, like what are the main parameters of, so are you involved into the survey part as well, and you have the strong knowledge for that, and that is the main reason you are saying that yes, we know where the problem is.
Yes, exactly. I mean, to be, to make this very clear for you, as I mentioned, there are problems which occur at different stages with the aging. So, let's say there is a major design flaw in terms of practicality and feasibility. It will occur at the time of execution itself. The contractor will straight away say that okay, we have this issue, it cannot be implemented, and there might be some very plain and simple errors in the design, which I would say it's a human error. We cannot defame or blame any consultant on this one. It can be a human error which also can be corrected at the execution stage. Okay. But there are some design issues which surface after a period of time with aging. And in Dubai, see, the climate condition is of essence. You need to consider the climate conditions for the design, because see, the standards define very generic guidelines. Yeah, even though it is regional specific, it is region specific, but it's a very generic guideline for overall reason. So let's say when you are designing even a new project, you need to look at it from different aspects. Like obviously while doing the HAB, you'll look at the orientation, you'll look at the emissivity, reflections, everything. But let's say if a project is at seaside,
so the parameters would change.
The humidity will be entirely different. You will have more humidity. So you need to you need to account for that factor while designing. Okay.
So out of 100%, what do you think? Like how many clients would come back to you?
I would say 100%.
Oh, really?
Okay. So that's until and unless the client had only one time requirement. If a client is having repetitive requirements, definitely they will come back to us.
That's a big statement, actually. That's a big
statement. Alhamdulillah, I would say that's a big statement. Alhamdulillah, that's a very big achievement for us.
Very good, very good. In your part, like I would say, there is a problem of flexibility.
Flexibility in terms of?
Flexibility in terms of, like, normally what happens, like when the client is like, no, I don't want this, I don't want this, I want this, I want 2 options, I want 3. How flexible you are. So, see, like normally what happens is, now since I am also kind of in the engineering background, so when it comes to flexibility, this means you are flexible and open to working with the client for extra more hours.
Exactly.
Unless the client is satisfied.
Yes.
How do you rate on that?
We are very flexible with the clients.
Okay.
Now, see, I would say.
How much flexible? Can I say that?
We are flexible.
Are you like till they attain 100%?
We are flexible till client satisfaction.
Okay.
That would be the correct word. Flexible. Okay. Now, see, sometimes the client can be unreasonable.
Okay.
But then it's our duty to make him understand.
Okay.
To convince him what is good for him. What is why any client would want you to go for alternates?
Definitely.
Why? Because they have an intent in their mind. So when you fulfill that intent, the client becomes satisfied.
Okay.
And like once a client is satisfied, he won't give you unnecessary trouble or unreasonable trouble.
Agreed.
And see, for anyone who is genuinely looking for a solution,
He will not go. For
he'll not be
unnecessary-
unfair with you. He'll not be unrealistic with you, because why he is asking for this? Because he is having a problem.
Exactly.
He's having a problem. There is a thorn in his feet. You remove the thorn. You make him feel comfortable. You make him feel content. His problem is solved. He's happy.
Definitely.
So that's the thing. I mean,
The only thing, like, basically the client wants is whatever amount he's giving, he should get satisfied with.
satisfied with that. Yeah, exactly.
That is very important.
Yeah.